Hi there, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another awesome Canva tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to show you how to use the magic resize feature in your graphic editor. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So first thing what we're going to do is we're just going to, you can start from scratch, but in this case, we're going to pick a template. So let's just go with Facebook cover. All right. And so let's go ahead and pick a Facebook cover here. Let's pick a template here. Any template, something with graphics and with text. So let's go right here with this one. So as you can see, the template has been loaded. Now, one thing I do want to know is that this works for any project that you might do. Okay, you can start from scratch. You can choose a template and whatnot. Okay, and you get the same result. You can do the same thing if you want to use the magic resize. All right, so I'm done, altering this template, and so now I'm ready to resize it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the resize button, and so you can see that there's a custom size here, so I can specify what size I want to resize this graphic, or I can choose which sizes that I want to resize to. All right, so what we can do is we can go in the search bar right here and put Facebook. So let's go with a couple of these here. All right. And then we'll go with, how about YouTube? So we'll go with YouTube channel art, YouTube display ad. Let's try the icon and see, so that we can test out, and show you how this exactly works. Because ultimately, thumbnail, okay, and then let's do a couple more. Let's go with Facebook, YouTube, and how about Pinterest? A Pinterest pin. All right, that's enough. And so once we are done picking what sizes we want to resize to, then all we got to do is click on this magic button right here. It's copy and resize. And what it's going to do is it's going to open a tab for each size in the browser. Okay. So obviously, the more you choose, the more tabs. And so, as you may know, the more tabs, the longer they might take to load up. Okay. So while I'm waiting on these to load up, there's something that I do want to make clear, is that when you resize these graphics, the software is not going to automatically arrange your elements to fit how you would like to see them fit in each size that you chose. Some graphics, some, so you're going to have to go in here and you're going to have to edit each one of them, maybe. Okay. But as you can see here, you got all the different ones here. Okay. Right. And so you have all your sizes. Some of them look good. Some of them you might have to, arrange. You're going to have to kind of, you're just going to have to move around, so this is the way that you Resize. But the most important part is that um, you can instantly resize um, your design to different social media formats and sizes automatically. You don't have to do them one by one. So that's the beauty of this feature in Canva. And so that's all for today. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a like, a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified of any other tutorial videos that we might do like this. If you're not a user of Canva, or you are not a pro user and you would like to join Canva or be a pro user, I do have a link in the description below. Go ahead and go to that link and sign up for an account. I do get compensated if you subscribe to a paid plan, just to let you know that part. But it's an amazing platform. And so without further ado, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.